Going back to 2-Minute Tuesday, guys. We're going to do a quick box opening today on something I think is pretty cool. I'm going to do some comparison with it. This, what we got, obviously it's still in the box. I'll try to keep this as close to 2 minutes as possible, even though we all know I very rarely hold it to 2 minutes. A box inside another box. And I can see why this box is rather banged up, but that's okay, because I got a deal on it. What we have is the Godox V100. I believe this is the newest version of the Godox Flash. Now, it's on par with the new X3 Pro triggers, as you can see on the back of the Flash. It's got the new menu system. So let's take it out and see what we got. And also, one thing about this Flash is it's 100 watts. Most of the others are 76 watts, so it's about the strongest Flash you can buy on the market until you get up to your 8200s and that sort of thing. Comes in the regular Godox pouch. And here it is. Right. Back. I'll show you the back again once I put the battery in it. And there you go. There it is in TTL mode, all set at 0.0. And it's all touchscreen. It's just like your triggers, your X3 and your X3 Pro. I got in the X3 Pro the other day, so I'll be putting these side by side and using them soon so you can check it out. So this Flash has a front sub flash just like the V1 Pro. It's very, very similar to the V1 Pro. There are a few pros and a few cons, and I'll go over that in our next video and not the unboxing video, but when we get into the comparisons. And this is the little sub flash. And it just goes on the front, just like that. And there it is on the front. And now the back, you can see the TTL has moved. So I love the touch screen. That is one of the downfalls. It can be bumped and you can change everything, and that's one of the downfalls. We'll get to that in the comparison video. But the 70 watts of most flashes versus 100 on this one is a lot more powerful than your basic flash. So we're going to put this up against the V1, and we'll do a comparison to most all the Godox flashes and see how it does. And anyway, guys, I just wanted you to check it out. It is on a crazy sale right now on Black Friday, and our Black Friday video will be coming out. I can't decide if it should come out Wednesday or Thursday because Black Friday will start on Friday. I know some things are already on sale, but I want to be able to make sure I get all the absolute best deals I can find. And if somebody throws up something on Thursday new, then I didn't find it in time to list it because I want to have the best deals possible for you guys. So, but later this week, at some point in time, there will be a Black Friday sale, and we've got some spectacular deals so far, this being one of them that I've already got for me. So anyway, guys, we're going to be checking that out. We're going to get with hopefully Casey, and we got an appointment to get with Tashandra next week. So we've got a lot of stuff to start shooting and comparing and some fun stuff coming up. I hope you guys appreciate it. If you guys have the Godox V100 or the V1, the V1 Pro, or any of the Godox flashes, tell me what you think about it. If you have any questions, let me know down at the bottom. We'll get your question answered. Y'all have a good day. Hit that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks a lot.